Let me show you how we can go to the download mode and how we can exit it on the Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro. So in order to go to the download mode, first of all, we need to use the power button and volume up button in order to open the power menu. There we go. And we need to turn off our phone. So the phone has to be completely off. After that, we have to go to the recovery mode. So we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button. And we need to hold it until you see the Xiaomi logo. Once you see the Xiaomi logo, you want to only hold volume up. So let me demonstrate. We're going to press and hold power button and volume up. Just keep holding. And now just hold volume up. And soon we should see the recovery mode. There we go. Now over here we need to choose the connect with MI assistant options, and of course we navigate in this menu by using volume buttons. So use volume up or down in order to choose something else, and then you confirm your choice by pressing the power button. So once you select connect with MI assistant, you want to press the power button, and then we have the instruction that tells us to connect the USB cable to our computer. And of course, in addition to that, you might need to use additional software in order to actually make use of the download mode. And that is pretty much it. Now, if you want to actually exit this download mode, we need to press and hold the power button. So just press and hold it until this screen shuts down. This should take like a couple of seconds. There we go. Now the screen is off. Wait for the reboot. And that should be pretty much it. Now, you will probably go back to the recovery mode, so if you want to exit that, then of course we need to make sure that reboot is selected, press the power button, and then again to choose reboot the system. And that's it. Now we're gonna go back to the normal mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.